Hey, welcome back! I have big news today. I received my latest order from Tabletop World and thought it would be fun to do an unboxing video.
I also upgraded the studio with soft boxes and new mics. I hope this will help improve my video production.
Hello everyone, Gis here. I hope you're doing great. Alright, let's unpack the models. I can't wait to see the details on the town gate.
I must say I was surprised and very happy with how quickly the package arrived to me. This is what I call a good padding. If you've ever purchased Tabletop World models, you know they always come well packaged. They recycle newspapers and reuse them to ensure the models are well padded. Oh, surprise! The first model is the town gate. This model is the largest Tabletop World manufacturers. It's really impressive. This first section of wall is a G section. It adapts to the shape of the fortified tower. This second section of wall is a C section. It's slightly different from the first one, and as you'll soon see, it leans against the town gate on the left side. Aha, here's a wall section A. It fits between the other wall sections and gives the wall a sturdy appearance. And here's a section E to place at the end of the wall when this one is not completely enclosed. When facing the walls from the outside, this will be the left side ending section. In the last box, there's a wall section D and the fortified tower, which will be placed to the right of the wall. There you go. I will now place each section in its place to form the whole fortified wall. If you ever unbox a Tabletop World model, be aware that the small components are packed in buildings or wall sections. Make sure you have collected all the components before you get rid of the packaging. In total, the wall section is 40 inches long, 7.5 inches wide, and 17 inches high. It's nearly 102 centimeter long by 80 centimeter wide and 30 centimeter high. And a big pile of paper for recycling. I will now show you each component to allow you to better appreciate the quality and detail of these models. Today, I would also like to point out the outstanding service I receive each time I visit my local hobby store. Recently, I've been buying paint and diorama accessories again, and I must say that I'm always satisfied when I visit Fenris Workshop. If they don't have the product I need, they order it for me and usually get it quickly. Fenris Workshop is a store that sells primarily online. They sell the Games Workshop lines of miniatures and several popular paint lines. They also sell material for decorating model bases and making dioramas, as well as second-hand miniatures and games. They ship to North America, USA and Canada. Free expedite shipping on all orders above 100 Canadian dollars. I'll leave a link to their page in the description. Check it out. If you wish to register using the link, I'll receive 300 loyalty points, and you'll also receive the same amount of points. If you happen to be in Quebec City, pay them a visit. Their schedule is available on their website, under the contact section. To conclude, I'd like to thank you all for your support. The channel has now passed the 350 subscriber mark. This means a lot to me, so thank you. In the upcoming weeks, I'll continue posting videos of my Painting the Tabletop World Cottage series each Sunday. While waiting for my Tabletop World Kickstarter market stalls to arrive, I'll also be painting the town gate and the fortified town wall. I'll film everything and try my best to keep the pace to publish a video of this fortified town wall series every Wednesday. So if you haven't already, make sure you're subscribed to the channel, my friends. Many inspiring videos are coming your way. Thanks for watching, everyone, and until next time, keep on painting and take care.